everyone, welcome back to Simple AI Studio. If your HR team spends hours drafting job postings, you're in the right place. Today we'll build an advanced tool that uses AI chaining to turn a simple role overview and a bullet point requirements into polished, ready to post job description. Earlier we were only using basic tools, but today we are going to be shifting to using advanced tools. This tool can save recruiters countless of hours and ensure consistency across all your openings. So let's dive in. Also, you can create multiple users for the advanced tool. This is just one of them. So as usual, we're going to log into the platform and has our lovely dashboard. Now we'll go to tools. Let's create one, and I'm going to name this tool job description generator. If you like, you can put this into a category of HR and recruiting, but I'll just leave that aside. And for tool description, let me just write automatically drafts a polished job description from a concise role. So this job description will help my team to understand what this tool is about. I will click on advanced from here and create the tool. So now our tool has successfully created. We can see there are two nodes right here. One starts with an input and ends with an output, and a chain can be created of multiple nodes where data is flowing from one point to the other, and AI will basically analyze, optimize and do operations with the data so that you can get your desired output. So let's click on the start node. What this node wants us to do is to give input, something it can take from us to start executing the process. So we're gonna give it a text. Let me name the input role summary. Let me just write a one sentence overview of the role. So in the test value, I've written marketing manager leading different digital campaigns just to assess how the model is working. And now the second input is gonna be the long test, which will give us the requirements which is exactly necessary to crack the role. So I'm gonna add a long text node here and name it key requirements. The description could be something like bullet points, list of skills, experience and qualifications. And in the test value, let me just enter some random requirements. Here it is. So yeah, I think that's all we need for the input. Now let's connect a node. So we want to connect the input node to output node so that these inputs that we just provided can be processed. So let's add a node, and I'm gonna add an LLM call. So this is an LLM call node, as you can see. Let's expand this. So in my previous video, I've shown you what for each does, which is iterate on the list that we've provided, but we don't need that here, so I'm gonna skip that. In the trigger rule, we don't need triggered rule because it actually helps us determine how the output is gonna behave when the incoming nodes are successful or not. But since it's just one node, so we can skip this. And in coming to the condition node, it will define when to execute the step. So it is like a boolean, true or false. When do we need to actually execute this step? But since there is just one node, as I mentioned, we don't need this as well. So let's just write the system prompt. So in the system prompt, I've mentioned what this system actually does, what is the exact role, and how is it gonna assess the input and generate an output. Here we also need to mention what our inputs are, which we have mentioned in the previous node. So let's see what the variables we have used for those inputs. Okay, so one is text, as you can see, and another is text area. Now you can change these variable names, but now I know what the name of these variables are, so let me just include that. So you are gonna automatically get these inputs from here. So let me just give a gist about what these inputs are. I'm gonna mention here role overview, just so that the LLM knows what these inputs actually are. This is done. This is the system prompt that we have given, but we also need to mention what are the inputs exactly, which is in the prompt section. And the model ID currently, let's just use GPT 4.1. There are other models in the Simple AI Studio as well that you can use. And the answer type, I need a text. So basically what we needed in this node, we have already mentioned. Now let's just map the output to this, and we just have to drag and drop the arrows, and as you can see, the inputs is mapped with the LLM call, which is mapped with the output. But in the end node, let's just configure what the output we want to have. So the output variable name, let's just give it job description because that's what we are getting. And in the value, we're gonna give it a variable of what the LLM has generated for us, which is the LLM call answer. Let's just cross check once, which is the LLM call. So this captures the LLM response from the previous node. Now the advanced tool is created, that was it. So let me just run the tool to cross check how it is running. And yeah, this is the answer that it has given us, which is the position summary, responsibilities, qualifications, company overview, and how to apply page. You can obviously customize this output more by figuring out what kind of prompt that you want to give to the LLM call. But yeah, this is exactly what the tool does. You can either download the JSON file or whichever output format that you want, and you can just submit it and the tool is gonna save for itself. And yeah, that's it. This is actually a very simple yet powerful no code HR tool ready to streamline your recruiting process. In our next video, we can also plug this into an AI agent that handles candidate inquiries automatically. So like, subscribe, and drop your questions below. Happy hiring with Simple AI.